How to draw a football, step by step. Hey, learn how to draw Hub crew. So for the first step, we're going to begin by making one big arch, going from left to right. Awesome. Now we'll make a second arch right underneath that will close the open space. Awesome. Next up, we're going to add in two stripes, one on the left and one on the right hand side. We're going to do this by using parallel lines. Awesome. Now in the center, we're going to add in 7 grips. These will look similar to rectangular-like shapes. If you enjoy watching step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this video, then I highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that I can keep you up to date on the latest drawings. Next, let's add in lines in between the grips that we just made. Now last but not least, we're going to make a line going from left to right through our football for detail. Thanks for watching on how to draw Hub. Now stick around so that we can color our drawing together. Hey Learn How to Drill Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.